Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be cooking you a very simple dish, a chicken dish with some chili and garlic, and we'll see how we're going to do that soon. It's also going to introduce a special type of noodle that I wanted to talk to you about, and overall this is going to be quite a low calorie option if you're sort of like me, trying to shed a few extra kgs. Now, step one, I've just got a chicken breast, just sauteing away here in my wok, and all I've done to that pan is I've just added a very slight bit of virgin olive oil, just a little tiny bit, and I've seasoned that breast on both sides. So what we're doing now is we're just searing it. We're not actually cooking it all the way through. I just want a bit of colour, like so, on the outside. Yeah, both sides. Alrighty guys, like I say, I've just sauteed this breast on both sides, and also, as I say, it's definitely still raw in the middle, and as you know, obviously we don't eat raw chicken, but I am going to slice this up ready to add to my dish a little bit later on, so it's all ready to go. So just thin slices, and as you can clearly see, still raw. So I'll get on with that, and I'll just put that aside for now. Now today, for our dish, like I said, it's going to be a fairly low cal meal. So to aid with that, I'm going to use these very special noodles called Konjac Noodles. They also sometimes get called shirataki noodles, I believe. And some people even call, a lot of people know them as the miracle noodle because they are such low cal. So they're made from a yam, I think that's the Konjac root. And basically they're so low cal because they're pretty well, the noodles, once they make the noodles from the ground up root, they're pretty well 97% water and 3% fibre. So for a serve like this, like a packet, you're looking at virtually no calories or very, very few. And I've just got the 3 packets out. I won't be using 3 packets, just to show you, you can get them. I found these 2 packets in the supermarket, and they went under super low cal noodles. But you can also find them in your Asian shops. You just sort of got to digging for them. The Asian store that I found these in, they actually store them in the refrigerator, whereas these options from the supermarket, they were on the shelf. And I just got the 2 because I'm just showing you there's a wide sort of noodle, as well as these sort of thin looking noodles. Now these noodles, they come, I don't know if you can see through there, in water or a liquid, both versions. And a couple of warnings about these noodles, if you so you don't get shocked. When you open the packet, there is a really bad smell, and you can't get around that. It just stinks horrible, and it doesn't matter again which option you take. That's not because the noodles are off or the noodles themselves taste or smell bad. It's because of this liquid that they're packed in. I'm not sure exactly what they add to the water, but they add something to the water that has to be added to sort of keep the noodles intact, and it absolutely stinks. So when you open the packet, you do have to obviously drain them, and then give them a good rinse under some running water before you use them. The actual noodles themselves, once you've done that, have absolutely no taste whatsoever, none. It's devoid. So even like compared to your rice noodles or your wheat noodles, they'll look the same, but at least they have some flavour that you can detect. These have none. So you do have to add a lot of flavour to your dish in order for these to take up the flavour of what you're cooking. All right. One more quick warning, and I'm just saying this not out of my own experience, but it has been reported that some people that have tried these noodles have had some gastro complaints following using them. I've eaten them dozens and dozens and dozens of times, and I've never had that. But I'm just warning you, it has been reported. All right, I'll get a packet open and give them a wash. Alrighty guys, so I've washed those noodles and they're on standby, ready to use. As I said, we need to make a nice flavoursome sauce to for those noodles to sort of carry, and also our chicken, of course. So what I'm making today is one of my main ingredients is going to be this Korean gochujang chili paste, and that's a really tasty option available in your Asian supply shops. It's quite spicy. Usually like a little bit goes a long way. I'm probably going to add a little bit more than what I usually do. And believe it or not, it's kind of relatively, it's obviously it's not calorie free, but it's not too bad as far as calories go. That's what it looks like in there. So I'm actually going to use a tablespoon and about a half. Like I say, usually I wouldn't use anywhere near that much, but trust me, I've made this a few times now. This isn't going over the top. Now to that, I'm going to add some light soy sauce, just a couple of tablespoons. Like, yeah, I know oil's not good for weight loss, but we're just going to add a tiny little bit of sesame oil, just literally a little tiny bit like that, not even about a quarter of a teaspoon. Now here, I've got some cloves of garlic, and I put in a big handful into my chopper because I love garlic. And I'm going to use probably nearly most of that. Maybe not quite all of it, but of course you can modify that if you wish. Let me see. So I've got about 3 tablespoons there. I don't like wasting it either. I might have chopped up a bit too much, but I just love garlic, so it's not a waste on me. But yeah, use a bit less if you're a bit squeamish about garlic. But this is a garlic chili dish, and what we'll do is we'll just stir that up. Let me just add a tiny bit more soy sauce, like so. Just so we can mix it up. And as you can see, that is really garlicky. And that is going to be our flavouring today. Alrighty guys, so I've got that same wok that we sauteed our chicken in, just heating up again. I haven't added any extra oil, still got a little bit of that light oil that I started with, a tiny bit. That's all we want. Now I've opted today to go with the ribbon sort of noodles, just for no other reason than I had the little thin ones yesterday, so I'm just having a bit of variety. Alright, we'll pop that into our wok, those into our wok just by themselves to start with. And because because that, again, we're just trying to soak up flavour, that little bit of oil. It's got some of that chicken juice and that in it. Let's turn our heat up a bit. And we'll just sizzle that just for a minute or two. Now, as you're cooking these, you'll notice that they are, despite being 97% water, they are quite robust. And they do need a little bit of cooking because of that. Or they can be a bit chewy. Alright, let's get our flavouring. And we're going to stir that up and we're going to let that fry for a few minutes. And the last thing, obviously, is we're going to add our sliced chicken to get it cooked through. And it can also take on some of that lovely flavouring. Alrighty, now once we're sure those pieces of chicken are properly cooked through, I'm going to turn the heat off. I've got here a big handful of coriander leaves and a few stalks. I'm just going to break them, sprinkle them in. I'm going to stir the coriander through it briefly and then take this off the heat. Alrighty guys, so I've plated up here a plate of my chili garlic noodles with the Konjac noodles. Really looking forward to this. I'm actually quite hungry. Let's just try a bit of the noodle first. We'll see what it's like, the texture. So that's what it sort of looks like. Close, you can see it's taken on a fair bit of that colour from the sauce. Let's give it a taste. There's some really nice flavours going on there, obviously with that gochujang and the garlic, bit of soy and that. Really delicious, and the noodle texture is really, it's kind of al dente, like you'd say with pasta. It's not chewy, but you do have to bite through it, and I kind of like that. I love that in a noodle. That's just all sloppy, and so it's kept its texture really well, and it's sucked in the flavour of that sauce really well. I guess I better try a bit of chicken too. Looks good. Like I said, we just had to make sure it was cooked through. It's also sucked up some of that flavour as well. Absolutely delicious, guys. As you probably long-term viewers of my channel know, usually I'm more of a thigh. I go for the thighs, I guess, because they're fattier, and if I'm not caring about weight loss. But with those breasts, just a quick cook like that's perfect, and they're still really yummy. definitely cooked through, but it's not tough and dry. It's really, really delicious. In fact, that whole dish for a very, very, very low calorie option is absolutely delicious. I really, really rate it, and I sure hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. You guys are awesome. If you're new to my channel or you've been watching videos but haven't subscribed, can I just ask you to do me a favor and hit that subscription button? It really helps out my channel. That'd be great. But if you don't feel like doing that, maybe leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Anything like any sort of action at all, that kind of helps my channel. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.